Have I got Aaron here?
Yes.
And is it Mark?
Yep.
Splendid. Do you know, it's Christmas, Aaron. Do you know how I know it's Christmas, Aaron?
How do you know?
Do you know how I know it's Christmas, Mark?
The decorations around the room.
Well, a survey says... No, let me tell you why, Mark. It's because it's silly season when it's Christmas, isn't it? Yep. And from time to time, people get silly around Christmas and they bring me silly Christmas cases. And this, I have to tell you, isn't just silly. It's not silly in a small way. It's not court-sized silly. It's not Brookside Close silly. It's not even the county of silly. It's bigger than the Isle of Silly. It's the planet of silly. Aaron.
Yes.
The two of you, as I understand it, have a mutual friend. He's not here, correct?
Yeah, correct.
This mutual friend, as I understand it, has a love of smelling nice, correct?
Yeah.
And so, what does he do in order to smell nice? Please tell me it has something to do with perfume.
Aftershave, yes.
He likes a bit of aftershave.
Yes. Drowns himself in it.
He does what?
Drowns himself in it.
He drowns himself in it. And that's the way this person attracts the ladies.
Oh, yes.
Yes?
Oh, yes.
He'd go out, sprays himself.
Uh-huh.
Understood. It's sort of charming.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
You realise it was Christmas, correct?
Yep.
And as a Christmas present, each year, the three of you buy each other things, correct?
Correct.
Now, what's the best thing you've ever received, Aaron, from the two of them? The best thing, stop and pause, whilst I brace myself.
Best thing, a couple of T-shirts, a couple of nice T-shirts from them both.
And what did they say? Where are you from? What part of the country?
Kent.
I went to Kent and all I got was this lousy T-shirt, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Garden of England, come to the Garden of England, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Come see my man garden, that kind of thing. What's the best thing you've ever got, Mark?
A pair of trainers.
Well, that's rather good.
Yeah, it's not too
And
bad.
what did you do with the trainers? What did you use them for?
Walking around.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue of your own, get in touch with us by clicking over here.